see a line over here. Line over here. Alright, so this is gluteus medius, gluteus maximus, cordofemoralis. Okay, cordofemoralis is a muscle you only see in the cats, not in humans. Okay, that's cordofemoralis. This big one, biceps femoris.
Okay, look. Y'all want me to be okay? Yeah, fold it back. Yeah, okay, so now we're going to fold it back. That's sartorius, fold it back.
Okay, there's a note here, so you need to be really careful.
Now, we're in here. Now what?
Now look, this very top muscle, fastest line.
Very top. On the top.
On the top, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, I can't.
Get your little finger. You just hurry up. Yeah, wait.
That's a, no, I'm sorry. That's a better to cut. Yeah. Okay. Stuck in it. Cut it? Because that's just tendon, right? Cut that off there. Yeah, it's yucky. You hear it? Okay, so on the top of this is the fastest. Okay. Oh, okay, I feel it now. I got my finger in it. I got it.
You can see his ends here. So that's the gastrocnemius. So you flip it up, you can find this is the nerve. What's the nerve? Sciatic nerve. Okay, you get a sciatic nerve. If it's going to the side, into here, it's common peroneal. Okay, common peroneal. The ones they keep, okay, get in between of gastrocnemius. That's anterior tibial. Okay. And there is another muscles, very thin band over here. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
This is tenuis femurs.
Which one?
This one. This is the muscle.
What number is that?
69.
Okay, tenuis femurs. All right, sciatic nerve.
The big one.
The big one.
Well, on your lab test, will you say name this nerve?
No, you have to say sciatic nerve.
Oh, I know, but the question, will it say name this nerve?
Yes. No, there's no line, just pin. Just pin.
Just a pin.
Just
Okay.
pin. Okay.
Good try.
Yeah. So that's for today.
Okay.
So this is the side.